Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to share with you my top houseplant care tips that I wish I knew at the beginning of my plant journey. Caring for houseplants might seem a little daunting at first. I've always loved plants and wanted them around, but I didn't think I had the skills I needed to keep them alive. But I soon found out I was very wrong. I started my plant parent journey about a year ago and have collected so many new pals along the way. And for the record, they are thriving. I've also learned so much from all of the plant experts around me here at English Gardens. They've really helped my confidence level. And with a little care and consideration, you too can enjoy this plant parent journey. Today I'm going to share the top tips I learned along the way that I wish I knew when I was just starting out as a plant parent. Tip number 1. You don't need a green thumb. You can start anywhere. There are so many houseplants that are easy to grow and care for. If you're a beginner, the ZZ plant and the snake plant are a great place to start. It's normal to not know anything when you begin. That's the point. You get to learn along the way. Keeping plants alive is not rocket science. It's about learning the methods, tips, and tricks of plant care and then tailoring them to the plant pals that you bring home. Tip number 2, know how much time you can devote to their care. Start small and slow. Like I said before, tried and true, easy to care for plants are the way to go. Don't go out and bring home that highly coveted fiddle leaf fig as your first plant child. Trust me, I want one too. We'll get there eventually. Remind yourself of the care that you can offer. Do you work all day from home? Are you traveling often? Do you have kids running around? Pick plants that fit in with your lifestyle, and then it won't seem like work. Tip number 3, invest in containers with drainage holes. If I have learned anything from the experts at English Gardens, it's this. Containers with holes in the bottom are crucial for proper drainage and help to prevent the roots from becoming saturated. To keep it simple, healthy roots equal healthy plants. Tip number 4, learn the language of plants. Yes, I know this may sound silly, but it's very true. Plants have their own language. Too much attention is not always a good thing. Plants often thrive from being left alone. And for some plants, moving them around, overwatering them, and too much bright light can cause issues. So follow the specific care guidelines for your plant and keep things consistent. And laugh all you want, but plants love to be talked to. Pump them up with some support and positive affirmations, and they will respond. Tip number 5, ask questions and seek advice. English Gardens experts are knowledgeable and ready to answer any of your plant questions. If you need some advice or recommendations on what plant to add to your family next, stop into any of our retail locations and our team will be happy to help you out. Our experts care for the plants in our stores day in and day out. And they're often plant parents themselves, so they have great firsthand experience to share. And finally, tip number 6, experiment. Plant parenting is all about experimenting. If you're not successful with one plant, try another. There are so many to choose from, and some you may not have ever thought to try. And know when it's time to let go and start fresh, and don't be ashamed. Plant parenting is all about learning and growing along the way. English Gardens carries a beautiful variety of unique houseplants and containers of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Stop into any store to add a new member to your plant family today. Selection does vary by store. You can also shop a selection of our plants and containers online at EnglishGardens.com. We're adding more all the time. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.